How to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. Now let's get started. Open your Snapchat. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Snapchat account. Your camera will open up. At the top you can find this search icon, tap on it. At the top you can see this search box. Over here just type in the name of the place from where you want to add the friends. Here I will be searching for New York. After you search for it, different results will appear. You can just tap on the very first one result. With that, map will open up and at the bottom you will find different snaps. These are the snaps from the place you have searched for. In order to add any of the people, you have to open this snap in this way. And at the bottom right corner you will find 3 dots, tap on it. Now here you will find the username of the person and you will find this option of add. All you have to do is tap on the option of add. You can just apply the same process to add other people as well. And with that you are good to go. This is how you can easily find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.